In this video, you'll learn how to create an ElevenLabs whisper. This process involves using the ElevenLabs platform to synthesize speech with specific instructions. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a clear understanding of how to produce a whispering voice effect in your text-to-speech projects. Begin by navigating to the ElevenLabs website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL elevenlabs.io in the address bar. Once the website loads, you will see the homepage featuring various options related to text-to-speech services. This is the starting point for your project. Next, locate the login button typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this button will prompt you to enter your account credentials. If you do not have an account yet, you may need to sign up for one. After entering your details, confirm your sign-in by clicking the appropriate button to access your account. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled text-to-speech and click on it. This action will redirect you to the text-to-speech synthesis section of the platform where you can create your audio projects. Once you are in the text-to-speech section, find and click on the model selection area. This will present you with a list of available voice models. From this list, select 11v3 Alpha. After making your selection, you will be able to choose your preferred voice model, which will determine the characteristics of the generated speech. Now, focus on the text input area, click on the designated type box and ensure that you format your text correctly. To create a whisper effect, use brackets in your text. For example, type whisper. This is a secret message. This formatting instructs the synthesizer to produce the whisper sound for the specified text. After inputting your text with the whisper instructions, locate the generate button on the interface. Clicking this button will initiate the speech synthesis process. Depending on the complexity of your request, this may take a few moments. You will see a loading indicator while the system processes your input and prepares the audio output. Once the generation is complete, the audio will be available for playback. You can listen to the whisper effect you created and check if it meets your expectations. If needed, you can make adjustments to the text or instructions and regenerate the audio until you achieve the desired result. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.